Hello there. Today I'll just give you a quick run through on the new GBC MagnaPunch Elite. It's a heavy duty punching machine for loose leaf binding, and the predecessors to this, there was the MagnaPunch 1, the MagnaPunch 2, then it went to the MagnaPunch Pro, and now it's the MagnaPunch Elite, which is a completely different machine from the ground up really for GBC. Like I say, it's for loose leaf binding. You can have 8 different punching dies, which I'll show you how to remove in a second. They're very easy to move. So you can have 3-to-1 punching, wire binding in either square hole or round hole, 2-to-1 in round hole or square hole, plastic cone binding, spiral binding, and calendar binding and punching dies. Very easy to use. I have a foot switch here that you normally put on the floor. I'll leave it on the bench just so you can see it for this demonstration, but normally that would go on the floor. Punching capacity is 25 sheets of 80 GSM paper. Just drop it in, slide it along to the stop, hit the start, and in this case we've got a 3-to-1 square hole die in there. But like I say, if you want the round holes, you can get a round hole die as well in there. To change the die is very, very simple. I'll just show you here. Lift up this top cover and we can see these cut-off pins here. So for bespoke sizes, you just cut off any pins you don't want to use, and they're all individually on or off. To remove the die, we've got a little lock on the side. Just pull the lock, lift the die out like so. And in this case, I'll just drop in a calendar punch die, you can see there. Drop it in, push the lock, and in this case you can see it's still got all the cut-off pins. On the calendar die, it's very useful for if you're doing the very short, long calendars. You don't want half a hole at the edge, you can just cut off the pins you don't want to use. Drop the lid down, and in this case, I'll just put a few sheets in there to show you. Slide along, hit the foot switch, and here we've got the 3-to-1 punch in and the thumb cut there. What we'd also have is chipping straw that just comes out. It is magnetised as well, which is quite useful for the little chippings. It sits on rubber feet, and like I say, it's quite heavy. It's about 35 kilos, so it's a heavy old lump of a machine. If you have any more questions, please do contact us at Chilvers Graphics.